Hi and welcome back. In this tutorial you will learn how to use Crunch with Aircrack NG. Crunch is an easy to use tool for generating a custom dictionary or word list. This tool can save you hours or days in password cracking. So in your terminal type Crunch. Now let's say the target has a password of 8 characters and ends with the number 68. So go ahead and type crunch 88, which are the min and the max numbers, -t option and -o for output, and then the location and name of your wordlist file. As you can see on my desktop, the wordlist path has been created. You can open the file and you can see that every word ends with the number 68. I forgot to mention that these symbols here will insert lowercase characters. You can check the manual page by typing man crunch and scroll down and then look for the symbols. But I will leave this for you to read. Now let's say you want to make a word list using more characters. So type crunch 816 ABCD 1988 Tor and you can see the numbers are stunning. But don't worry, because I will show you how you can pass all the passwords that are generated here. So I will use the pipe option with the following command. Now all the passwords that are generated here will be placed straight into the Aircrack and will be used for the cracking process. So you don't need to use a word list because you will use the input from Crunch. This method will save you a lot of time and valuable drive space. So that's it for this lesson. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.